All our lives we have opened blinds and curtains to let the heat of the sun in, to warm us up without having any additional bills to pay. Today there is a novel technology based on this principle: the heat pump. But how does it work? This technology takes advantage of the air which the sun heats up, transferring it to a refrigerant that heats water, providing heating and domestic hot water, and in the reverse cycle, cooling as well. The European Union has recognized it as renewable energy, and it will end up replacing conventional solutions such as boilers in order to meet the objectives of reducing CO2 emissions and providing renewable energy. The Yutaki range of Hitachi addresses these challenges through this technology, responding to the growing needs of millions of people. Here we can see the different applications offered by the Yutaki heat pump range, such as underfloor heating, fan coils, radiators, domestic hot water, and swimming pool heating. Did you know that the name Yutaki comes from a hot water cascade in the province of Nikko, Japan? But how do they do it? This range has Japanese technology and is designed and manufactured in Spain for all of Europe. For years it has been a guarantee for harmony and comfort in every corner of your home or business. At the factory it has always been about manufacturing the most efficient equipment. We have the best energy efficiency performance in the market, which is above 5. And that means that we are only going to consume 1 kilowatt to deliver 5 kilowatts of heating. This is our commitment. It has 3 custom-developed models which are assembled on 2 independent assembly lines. The Yutaki S60 and S80 on one of them, and on the other the Yutaki S-Combi, which has a built-in domestic hot water tank as a main difference. For the Hitachi heat pump equipment, there are materials that are prepared in sub-assembly areas. Pipe welding. In this area, the hydraulic pipe and refrigerant sub-assemblies are carried out. The connections are made by brazing them. With the assembly templates, correct placement of the pipes is guaranteed. The bonding material used is 0 to 2% silver alloy. Annually, about 800 kilos of welding rod are consumed. That is equal to the silver consumption of 50 jewelers. Brazing reaches temperatures of up to 700 degrees. Flux gas is a chemical stripper, which when a flame is added, creates an oxygen-free atmosphere around the welded joint. The result is a lower temperature weld, clean and without oxidation. These temperatures go 100 degrees higher than the temperature of magma from an erupting volcano. Welding and assembly of the plate heat exchanger. The welding both for hydraulic and refrigerant pipes, the leak test and sub-assembly of the plate heat exchanger is carried out here. The material used is a 34% silver alloy. After welding, the first leak test is carried out on the hydraulic circuits and on the refrigerant circuits using helium. It consists of making a vacuum in the circuits and injecting gas. It is possible to locate possible pore leaks of less than 1 micrometer. After the perfect seal is confirmed, the plate heat exchanger is prepared and assembled. The assembly line has different parts. First part. At this point, most of the unit, the structure, hydraulic and refrigerant circuits, external covers are assembled. Torque tools are used to thread all of the connections. Once all these circuits have been assembled, a second leak test is carried out, following the same process as described above. For the S-Combi range, a special leak test is carried out. Once the test has been passed, the refrigerant circuit is filled and sealed with nitrogen. Assembly and control unit test. In this area, the electrical box housing all the electronics and wiring is assembled. After assembling the electrical box, it is tested by connecting it electronically to a testing unit that verifies its correct assembly and operation. Second part. Once all these checks have been carried out, the final product is assembled, including all the detectors and connecting the external controls. Commercial test. The real running test of the unit is carried out following the quality protocol. This test is executed on 100% of the manufactured units, simulating a real operation for 20 minutes. The process is completed with the final assembly of the unit, closing the electrical boxes, placing the outer covers and the packaging. The machine is now ready to be shipped and serve as a reference in sustainability and efficiency. Johnson Controls Hitachi air conditioning with its Yutaki range is making possible the dream of reducing global warming and planet footprint.